Hello students, welcome back to the lecture series on Introduction to Scilab Software. This is video part 2. In the previous session we have seen that how to use Scilab as a calculator, and we have seen some basic commands or the basic syntax for using the mathematical operations. Now in this video we have the question set 1 which we are going to solve. In the first question it is said that determine the result of the following calculations using Scilab. We are given the values of a, b, c, x and y. Let us first of all assign variables these values. A is equal to 2.3, then b is equal to minus 2.3, then c is there which is pi by 2. So for pi we are going to use %pi divided by 2. Then for x which is 2 by pi we are going to type 2 divided by %pi, and the last we have y which is square root of 3. So for square root of 3 we have inbuilt function which we are going to use, that is nothing but sqrt into bracket 3. So this way we have assigned values to the variables. So once this is done, let us see the first one which is a square plus bc plus x. So for a square we are going to write a cap 2 plus b star c plus x. So this is the answer. Sin c plus y by c. For sin we are going to use sin sin into bracket c plus y by c. Then a plus c into bracket divided by x plus y. So we are going to write a plus c in the first bracket, then the division symbol, and then x plus y in the next bracket. Then the next one is 1 by cos c plus log c. 1 divided by, for cos we have the same command, cos into bracket c plus log log into bracket x. So we got this answer. Then the a plus c to the power 3 divided by b. We are going to write a plus c raised to, we are going to use cap 3 divided by b. So this is the answer. Now let us see the question number 2. Question number 2 is translate each of the following mathematical expression into an equivalent Scilab expression. Assign values to variables if required. Now in the A we have 3 plus 4 in one bracket and 5 in the second bracket. In that case we must understand that the bracket, the 3 plus 4 and the bracket 5, we have operation multiplication in between them, 3 plus 4 star 5. Then we have n plus 1 divided by n. If we don't assign value to the variable n, we are going to get as undefined variable. So let us assign any value to n, any of your choice. N is equal to 5 we are going to take. Now n plus 1 divided by n, in the first bracket we should have n plus 1 and divided by n. So whatever is the answer. Then the next is 4 pi r square. This you can do in a single go. 4 star. For pi we are going to write %pi star mark asterisk r square. Since we have not defined any of the r square, let us first of all declare that variable first. Since r is 4, let us take r as 4 and then write 4 %pi, then r cap 2, or you can write r star r. So this is the 4 star pi r square. In the next we have a variable r, then we have a as well as b. So what we are going to use, let us take the same r which is 4. Let us assign values to the variable a. Let us take a as 8 and b as 10 for example. After assigning these values, since we want the square root, we are going to the command sqrt into bracket r, which is already assigned, r star in the bracket cos of a. So we are going to write cos in the bracket a, we have to write, and this to the power 2, then plus, again r is there, in the bracket we are going to write cos and the angle b, and same to the power 2. So this gives me sqrt r cos of a plus r cos of b to the power 2. So it is showing the invalid index. Since we have the error, we can remove the error since we haven't put any sign in between these two. So we have to give the multiplication sign, and this way we got the answer. Now the next we have y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So we have to assign values to the variable y1, then to the y2, then to the y3, sorry x2, then to the x1. After assigning these values, y1 is 4, y2 is 9, x2 is 15, x1 is 13. Let us write this y2 minus y1. One mistake you can do is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So as you can see, there is a mistake here. What is that mistake? We haven't used the brackets. So in that case, the answer will be wrong. So we have to use the bracket for numerator and the denominator separately. So let us use the brackets y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So we are not verifying the answer, we are just verifying, or we are just learning how to write the proper syntax. Now the next is y2 minus, after that sign of into bracket 2 plus 4i, that means sign 2 plus 4i is a complex number, I is the imaginary number, 2 plus 4. For the I, we are going to use %i. So we get the answer as this, again a complex number. So this way we have completed the question set 1. In the next lecture, we are going to cover the complex number and the related functions. Thank you so much.